The engagement and the excitement is absolutely palpable.
So close. I'm walking, I'm like, whoa, it's paradise.
I don't find it school. It's pretty much learning and it's really fun.
SmartLabs are next-generation STEM and digital media arts programs for elementary, middle, and high schools.
SmartLab is kind of a perfect combination of real-world problem solving and creativity.
There's a creative side to it, there's an engineering side to it, there's a very mechanical side to it. All of these things come together.
When we talk to our partner schools about the value of the program, the word that keeps coming back over and over is engagement. SmartLabs engage kids like no other place in school.
Okay. Kids are hands-on involved from the time they walk in the door till the time they leave the classroom.
I love the SmartLab.
Kids are entirely engaged in the SmartLab.
Actually, I have teachers from other classrooms who will ask me, it's like, what is going on with this student of mine that before was totally disengaged, didn't care about the class, and now all of a sudden they're asking important questions. The majority of the students that enter a SmartLab leave every day because they have to leave every day, not because they want to leave.
It's a STEM program for all students, not just the kids that naturally gravitate to math and science.
It's an incredible mix of students that enjoy the SmartLab.
If you're a very hands-on learner, it's definitely a good class to be in.
The creative learning systems smart labs have absolutely brought both girls and minorities into the STEM fields in our high schools.
Special ed kids really thrive in here. They have an opportunity to use their hands, to discover on the same level that other kids are discovering.
We want every single kid, every single student in Inglewood schools to go through the Creative Learning Systems Lab.
Learning is personalized and open-ended. Students choose an appropriate level of challenge, apply their own interests and learning styles, and take it as far as they're able.
Our mission at Slavens is to create lifelong 21st century learners.
The structure of the SmartLab allows for seamless integration of communication skills, of collaboration, of innovation, of critical thinking.
We're going to see kids that are problem solvers. We're going to see kids that are going to be required to work in collaborative groups. We're going to see kids that have high-level communication skills.
If you want to do a hands-on project, you can. If you want to do a software project, you can. It's very up to whatever you are most interested in.
The fact that it's student-centered is fantastic.
It allows for kids that really need some kinesthetic pieces to be able to build and move and fix things. It also allows kids that are more techie to use some software engagements.
So they start learning those 21st century skills and practicing them. They're able to learn everything that they're supposed to via the Colorado academic standards, but do it in a way that's much more meaningful to them.
A robust learning environment for students that is relevant, that is rigorous, that's tied to core academics, that's aligned to standards.
The SmartLabs have helped me get more into engineering, mechanics, science, technology, all of it.
The skills that I think that our STEM labs bring are those things that can be transferred to any job, into any college, into any pathway that a student chooses.
It is preparing us for the future.
I'm probably going to do something with engineering.
I'm going to be going into graphic design.
I think they're going to be so much more prepared for their next step.
These are real programs that prepare kids for the future.
Every SmartLab is unique and designed specifically for each school. It's a fully integrated turnkey program that includes hardware and software, furniture, kits and equipment, curriculum, professional development, and ongoing support.
Creative Learning Systems has this beautiful turnkey package that it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it, but also allows for flexibility.
Most school districts don't have that skill set to build this from the ground up without a partner like Creative Learning Systems.
They did a great job of listening to what we envisioned for our spaces and then worked out a design to fit our needs.
We put technology in the hands of students and we make STEM relevant and engaging.
We've got students who are engaged and passionate and enjoying themselves.
Getting to see that every day is pretty awesome.
I love the SmartLab. It's got to be my favorite special.
Without hesitation, I think Creative Learning System is a wonderful solution for districts.
A SmartLab has no boundaries. In a place with no boundaries, kids exceed anything you've ever expected.